Alright guys, what's up? I'll be showing you how to make belts and trousers. Updated version. Start from like not folded at all, so we're gonna do about one inch fold, make sure there's no like fabric, and then roll it depending on how long the trousers are. Mine are pretty long like this. You're gonna wanna, for me, I roll mine 3 times. Roll my bottom of my trousers about 3 times. So it should look like this. Somewhat like that. This is what a double fold looks like. Oh shit. And then that. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you how to put on your web belt too. Okay, so you're gonna have your undershirt tucked in. Okay, so for boys, you're gonna go on the left side. Hold all 7 belt loops. And then you're gonna, so when you put on the belt, should be, should be 2 to 4 inches from measure the belt buckle to right here. So it's a little long, but it's fine. Then this should be lined up. Okay, now put this back down on the floor so you can see the boots. Okay, so it has these things. They're called boot bands. Goes into blouse. So I do is just pull this all the way up, both legs. And pull on the boots. And this is how it has to tighten. Grab these. Do this. This. Then you tuck this in all around. And then do the same. I've really tested this in like folding, so so now I'm going to put boot bands, hook on the outside part here, like right, the metal hook's right here, on both sides, facing towards the equal angle side, which is this. Okay, so next we're going to stand up, pull down trousers, and then you're going to pinch the ends and tuck the inside out part of the trouser under the boot band, just like this, like that. Do the same here. Like that. Okay, and then I can show you my POV. So this is my POV. This is what the trousers should look like. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.